About Griha Laxmi. A direct transfer of Rs 5,000 per month, annually Rs 60,000, will be provided to a woman from every household as guaranteed income support. 3 key features: Rs 5,000 per month, Rs 60,000 yearly, to all households without any conditions, directly transferred to a woman from the household. To register, fill the registration form with a Goa TMC volunteer. Receive the Griha Laxmi Card on the spot. Authenticate the card by sending an SMS to 97620 97620 with the unique identification number and the beneficiary name. The unique identification number is the 11-digit alphanumeric UID code present at the bottom left corner of the card. Upon successful registration, the registrant will receive a 4-digit unique PIN via SMS. Note this PIN number on the backside of the Griha Laxmi Card. Log on to www.grihalaxmicard.in. Register online and receive your EUID card. Keep the card safely to receive the benefit.
दोन फुलांचो काळ
गोंयची नवी सकाळ.